I've got a surprise for you. Wow, what is that? Breakfast of Nathan, guys. He got yogurt and...
Strawberry.
Oh, your favorite in Japan, huh?
Yes.
The strawberry.
Yeah.
You try the strawberry. Look
It's
at that.
sweet?
That's very sweet. Good?
No.
Enjoy. Good morning.
Good morning also you.
Good morning also you. Musta naman ang sinampay natin dyan. Moist pa siya, di ba? Naglaba po kami kagabi. Sausaw mo. Sausaw. Oh, masarap ang yogurt nila. In fairness, sa yogurt ng Japan, guys. I will hold it.
Card.
Huh? And then you sausaw. You know what? I have another surprise for you.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Pickle.
Pickle? That's pepino. It's not pickled.
No, thank you.
Okay, I will wash it and we will bring it today, okay?
Yes.
You will try the pepino of Japan.
Yes.
Mama bought that in the grocery last night. What do you think of the pepino in Japan?
Yummy.
Yummy and it's so?
It's so big.
Yeah. But the taste, what is better? The pepino in the Philippines, the pepino in the Netherlands, or in Japan?
In Japan.
Really? The taste is better?
No.
Almost done? Wow, you like it so much, ha?
But this
Suot niya ng bago niyang pants, oh. Hello, good morning! Kamusta, guys? We're still in Tokyo. So, today, ang ganap natin, ang una nating gagawin sa ating buhay dito sa Tokyo ay pupunta po tayo sa Ueno Market. Doon po kami mag-breakfast. Wala na po tayong problemahin sa mga damit kasi nakapaglaba na po kami kagabi. All waiting for coffee, guys. Masarap. Maybe it's a good coffee, mahal. You want coffee? Maybe it's nice coffee.
Yeah, maybe it's just a coffee corner that has not yet opened.
Because it's all local. Look, Japanese talaga ang pumipila. Time, nag-ano po tayo, Tsukiji Market. So, ngayon, ang pupuntahan na naman natin is, what was that? That was near the station. The Ameyoko, I think. Ameyoko Ueno Market. 15 minutes walk man ito. Kaga-aga pa. Ano na agad tayo? Mga, ano siguro to, 2,000 steps. Parang nasa Alabang lang tayo, oh. Na hindi busy. Diba? Oh, are you eating takoyaki, tempura, and, what is that? Not tonkotsu, the katsudon for breakfast?
Yeah, if I get a chance to do that and it's not all a full meal, then yes.
Yeah, let's do that. They have that, guys. The super old, basta makita nyo na lang. Yung takoyaki ba? Nakita ko last time, pero syempre kung may itlog mo, hindi tayo nakakain. Japan, early in the morning.
When you see a 7-Eleven.
Ang isa dito, we have a surprise for him later. Tingnan nyo, ganito sa Japan, guys, pag magpunta kayo dito, tip ko sa inyo, sa Japan po, ang paglalakad ng paharap ganun ay nasa left side at tingnan nyo, nasa right side sila. Diba? Diba sa atin, sa right side po tayo, pero dito sa kanila, pag papunta ka doon, left side, at saka sa ano din po, sa mga escalator, left side sila. Kahangin ba? Malamig ang hangin, pero mamaya magsani man to. Tapos 14 degrees. Ngayon malamig pa po, kaya wala pang araw. Tawid po tayo, but look at all the buildings in the world in front of us, guys.
Because it's the same amount of walking, but this is a nice.
Oh, there, tempura mahal. You want to try already?
What?
Tempura.
Yeah, but that's a full meal.
Oh yeah, that's a full meal, guys.
Then what will you eat?
Later.
That looks
There.
good though.
Yeah, that looks good. You want to try?
No.
Grabe, kaaga-aga. Kaaga-aga
Casino?
ano yan, Ano nga yung sa Tagalog, Rich?
But it's not a
Magsugal.
casino.
Naglinya pa doon. Dami-dami naglinya, guys. Oh. Sukiyaki?
You want that?
No, not now. We're going there first. Want to see the market. Ano to? Oh, baka masarap. Oh, locals are here, mahal. You know? Hello. Mahal, you know? If the locals will do that, that means that it's very good.
The market opens at 10.
Yeah, but
That's why everybody is in line because
they want to eat there. That's locals now. That means it's very good. The market opens at 10. 10 minutes pa. Rest nga, no, magpila talaga sila, guys. Sabaw, ata yan. Wala mang picture sa labas. Yes, why are you calling me my love?
Because I want to be Barbie.
You want to eat barbecue early in the morning? Let's find a barbecue early in the morning then. But they're still closed now. And at 10 they will be all open, yes? Yes. You also remember this?
last time we came from the other side.
Yeah. Iba-iba siya pero siyempre hindi natin mabasa. Dito tayo. Ito ang market, guys. Mga benta nila dyan. Wala, oh. Duck, oh. All the seafoods in the world. All the fruits in the world. Tingin-tingin lang tayo, guys. Kung anong mga benta nila. Pero iba talaga ang ano doon sa Tsukiji Market, guys. As in. But look at that, what they're selling here. May paapa, oh. Ha? We are looking what we can eat, baby love. We're still looking. We were here before, mahal. You remember? I drink sake here with the oyster. Yeah. Hinahanap ko yung takoyaki ni Manong na very, very old na po yung store niya. As in, pero pinipilahan siya. Mas trip ko yung sa Tsukiji Market, guys. Pero okay lang din. Experience, diba? Iba naman ang makita ninyo. Dalawang anak ko. Ang Daniel, nagpunta doon sa may drugstore kay naghanap yung deodorant na gustong-gusto niya dito. Sabi ko, magbili ka 100 pieces kung makita mo. Grabe, wala talagang amoy sa kilikili. As in, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Dati pa yan, nagustuhan niya ba? Nabili niya din last time dito. Tapos sinanap namin sa Netherlands, wala talaga siyang mahagilap. Yeah. Only 3 lang daw ang nabili niya. 3 lang meron sila. Buy 100 pieces, mahal, if you can. Why?
Then we sell them.
Dayna, let's find something to eat for Nathan. Yeah, I know, baby love. That's why we are here. We are looking what you can eat here. Ayun, nagkain naman yan. Nag-yogurt. Gara lang yan siya. Yogurt. Naubos niya yung pipino. Tapos nag-strawberry din. Sa iba ni Daniel, ay, Derich na, hindi pa siya nabusog sa kinain niya kanina. Ganyan lang ba yung mga breakfast niya? Na-board lang yan siya. Meron ba ako nakita na dito, mga second hand bags. May coach po siya. This takoyaki, mahal, but they're not yet done. They're still busy. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pinipilahan, guys. This one, mahal. I want you to try this one. Because the last time, they were really in the line. Kaya na kami, unahin ko na muna itong anak ko. Ipa-unigiri ko muna siguro. Kaya sarado pa ang mga guys. Finish lang. You see that, guys? Unahin na muna kay na-board na siya. What? What do you want to do?
Netherlands.
Oh, you want to speak Dutch today? Okay.
Mama? Mama,
Yes?
why not use brown color black and
Oh. Yeah?
but it will eat the barbecue.
Oh no, barbecue yet. It's super early. Baby, you are funny.
Bak
Because sa ano ba, Tsukiji Market, nag-barbecue siya doon, di ba, ng Wagyu. Nagustuhan niya masyado. But later, if we
Mama,
can...
Mama.
Yes po.
Mama,
Yes po.
Mama, yung later on.
Ay, nahirapan si Mama mag-translate dito. Don't make Mama so hard. Uy, yung saman ka. Uy.
Mama,
Yes.
ikaw pa yan.
And I love you so much from the bottom.
Lalo kaya ang plato.
Juicy ka?
Ha?
Juicy? Look guys, the new favorite of Nathan in Japan. Right? He really likes the rice like a sushi. Ay, wala pa mang barbecue. Ito na muna. Good. Wow. So juicy. Grabe, magkain ng Baby Love sa Japan. Uy, ganado masyado. No. Grabe ka magkain sa Japan. Babuyag-buyag masyado. Thank you.
Why?
Parang Divisoria ba, guys? Rich, busog pa daw siya sa kinain namin kagabi na steak. Alam, may mga kanin pa siguro. It's still closed, mahal. Maybe later. Close pa rin. Nagbi-blink-blink, nagpi-flicker siya, no? Pares niyan, oh. Sa camera po yan, ay sa lights po yan. Iba ang lights na gamit nila. A small shrine. Mahal. Small one. Ayaw daw doon ni Daniel, guys. Kaya ang gusto niya, dapat mga Japanese daw talaga ang nagtatrabaho. Iba daw ang mga lahi doon. Baka hindi daw yung Japanese. Yeah, this can also be. Mahulog tayo sa McDo nito ba? Gusto niya nga yung mga Japanese talaga nakikita niya kay para legit. Tama nga naman. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, mga nagtatrabaho lang yan sa kanila. Pero Japanese ang owner niyan. Pero kahit kasi yung nagluluto ba, hindi Japanese. Tama nga naman, nandito tayo sa Japan, punta tayo sa legit. Aga pa lang, nag-PPMS ka pa, kay tuguin ka na. Kaaga-aga nila akong binabadtrip tatlo. Humihi po sila. Ano pa, alas 11 pa ang bukas ng takoyaki. Maghintay na lang kami dito. 11, ano naman, 10:40 naman ngayon. Daming arte sa pagkain. Magkain na lang, maghanap pa ng... Mahulog tayo dito, oh. Meron silang... Fatty tuna. Look at that. Look at that. 11 pa kasi ang bukasan ng mga kainan, guys. May tanong ako kay Daniel kasi ito legit daw to. Nakita ko din to sa TikTok na pinipilahan din daw. 1 minute na lang. Baka magustuhan nila ba? Ito, ganyan siya. Pork cutlet. Andito pala to sa Ueno Market. Kagabi ko siya sinerch. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na second hand shop. Look at that. All the Elvis in the world. Sarado pa ata sila. Hindi daw kasi sila gutom. Tapos ayaw mag full meal ni Daniel. Gusto niya yung mga ano lang ba, yung mga sima-sima lang. Wala man sima-sima. Puro magganyan. Hindi man ito yung ano sa Tsukiji na pinuntahan po natin. May ramen nga dito, oh. Ganito ang mga masarap na ramen. Ganito ang mga legit, guys. Asa naman tayo? Or dito, tempura. Alas 11 din magbukas. Tempura, tapos may sushi siya. Gusto ko kasing mangyari, kainin na nila yung mga ganyan. Tapos si Daniel din, ayaw niya na kainin ngayon. Kasi, nandyan ako. Tapos may itlog daw, hindi ako makakain. Sabi ko, wag mo ako problemahin, kay okay pa ako. Andito na tayo sa Japan, picturean ko, send ko sa kanya. Andito na tayo sa Japan, di ba dapat yung mga ganito? Rich, gusto mo ng ganito?
Hindi mo na magkain.
Bakit?
Busog pa ako lagi.
Do you want something like this? Or the tempura?
You cannot eat there? Because
You want the takoyaki?
I want the takoyaki.
Okay, then let's go
If
there.
we're not eating at the same time, I want the takoyaki.
Okay, let's go.
Still 2 minutes.
2 minutes na magbukas na. Ah.
Did you have this when you were a little kid?
Yeah, Tamagotchi. Yeah, I had that.
You want one?
No.
Take
Makabili
it
siya
down
ng
to the package before bringing it, and it's super small. It doesn't take any room in the suitcase.
Di ba ayaw niyang kumain doon kaya hindi daw ako makakain doon. Sige daw, my love. If it's yummy.
I think it's hot.
Na? So hot?
Ito na sauce one, itong black.
Ay, hindi ko din alam. Soy sauce lang yan. Hot? But how's the taste?
Hot.
You cannot taste it because it's hot? Agoy-agoy, it's super hot. Bago kasi.
No good.
No good?
Too hot. I'm just burning my mouth.
Kailangan talaga natin magpa-deworming, guys. Laban lang dyan. Look at that. Meron tayong sea urchin, shrimp, salmon, tuna, and all the stuffs in the world. Sea urchin. Mainit daw masyado. Narinig ko si Daniel. It's so hot inside. Oh, wow. Salmon.
How is it?
Good. You're not
that's
allowed to
yummy.
sit here, my love. Wait, bebe. I'm still eating. May bantay ako dito, guys. Kadami nang na-order ni Daniel. 8 ang kay Derek. Sabi ko 4 lang. Tuna. The sea urchin you want?
Yeah, I want to try the sea urchin.
How's the takoyaki? The taste of the takoyaki. You taste it already or still not?
Yeah, it's still hot, but it's good.
Ah, they can see it?
Yeah, because we ordered this on their side.
Okay, thank you. You can take daw mahal if you want. Masarap eh.
Pero, kahit,
Ha? Mainit.
That's why I thought
Ano yung
maybe not fast.
Hmm?
dito sa Manila meron sila.
So it will cool down.
Hindi na maglending dito.
Look man, all of the people there know. Sabi ko sa inyo, legit yan siya.
We were the first ones here.
Yeah. Si urchin.
Yeah, I learned I don't like sea urchin. The aftertaste, super not nice.
Wala to mo sabi. Tingnan nyo sila, oh. Ah, busog na, busog na. Tara. Sila Daniel, bumili po sila ng matcha. Diyan, oh. Kay si The Rich Addict ba yan sa matcha. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa Ueno Market, guys. Okay na. Na wala ng init ng ulo kay nakakain na. Naalala niyo yung pink na unit so kakahapon?
Yun, maganda na wifi mo.
Napanaginipan ko siya kagabi. Iniisip ko pa rin siya. May patakoyaki din sila dito. Pero mas legit yun. Tug, tug,
Yeah. We will walk you.
tug, tug.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh! That's Kirby.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 300. And then it goes out and out. Hello, it's not going out. Please take the empty capsule home.
Kids with coins.
Are you getting a Kirby or not? What do you think?
Yeah, I think not. Actually took one of my coins.
Uy! Got 100 yen.
They stole 100 yen.
Uh-oh. Let's go. Not good. Scam siya. Scam.